Sort we need to see now. Experience high to low, right? So how to do the sorting? Let's see. So doing that, I can go. Okay, where you will go? We'll go the Strapi or sorting by number. Sort and pagination with TPI. Okay. So we need to do the sort. Okay. So how they are doing with the sort? Sort one slug. Okay, one is what? Slug. By slug they are doing it. Ascending order, right? We need to do the same thing. Slug description. Slug description they are doing it. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Where is our query running? Let's see. In the filters, here we will go. You have the sort already, right? The same sort where you will go now in the doctor details list. Here we'll add if condition again. If give a dependency. Okay. Instead of filter, what will be now? Sort. What is the index? We can say which one? By experience, right? By experience. So go here and see the experience. How this is over here. Okay, we have the experience. Okay, by number. So go here. Here what you will add? One. One is nothing but ascending, I believe. Let's see. Let me test that. And by experience we need to calculate, right? Start is equal to sorry, this will be here. Sorry. Experience will be here. Experience will be here, and this number will be here. Instead of language, it will be the sort. Okay, it is the sort. Let's see in the sort how is it going. Network. I will change it. Okay, so it's working fine, I believe. Yeah. See now what happened. Experience 10, 14, right? Then next you see 19, 20, right? Then 21, 26, right? Isn't it working? Experience low
Yes.
to high, right? If I do high to low, see here what happened? 10 years, 14 years, 1 minute, still not working. Let's see what is going there. Let's see. Let's see. We have given that as a one. Uh, okay, so doctor's experience start two. Two is nothing. Okay, there is a no two. Actually, we have the zero and one. Okay, so we have the 0 and 1. Now it should work. Okay, so I'll select high to low. So 10, 14, it's happening now. And if I select low to high, still it is there. So do one thing, go to the Strapi and see this one more time, how they are doing. Without count. Pagination with count. Okay, true. Sorting I wanted. Okay, sorry. Descending and ascending here. They have given the number. And this is the slug. We have to be manage it like this. One, sort one. What is that one? Okay, let's try to do this. As of now, you give one here. What is that? Remove from here. Give a one here. Are the ternary operator, which will have, if it is one, we'll say descending. Sorry. Okay, let's see descending and ascending. Maybe like this we have. Let's see. Ha. It will work. See, experience high to low and low to high. We need to do it. Okay. Now let's try to do it by the zero. How is it to do this? Experience low to high. If it is zero, descending and ascending. Okay, let me try one by one. Okay, this is random. Okay, so nothing working. Experience descending. We hold on. Oh, space. 26, 21, 20, 14, 14, 10. This is descending. If I do ascending, ah, one number 10, 14, 19, 20, 26. Same thing if I do what? So this is the one thing which I have to work. So doctor sort is equal to, I need to add the condition. Doctor sort is equal to 0. Then you do what? 0 means what? High to low means descending. Okay. And ours ascending. ASC का ASC ASC in the optional. No issue. So देखो अब यहाँ पे if I do sort by default this is the one. Okay. And if I show high to low, see here high to, sorry, it's unta na, ascending here. Hmm. High to low, what is happening? Experience high to low. Okay. And if I do low to high, then this what is coming? Here also going descending. Here also going descending. Why the descending is not changing? Doctor's filter sort. Oh, Are you getting what is happening here? Anyone? Why it is going only descending? Anyone any idea?
I think L
I
spot,
got my point.
L spot,
Huh?
L spot.
Sorry?
If condition, if condition one is there, I need one more L spot.
If condition is there, okay?
Uh, you need to give L spot.
Else part.
Uh,
Why?
See, if based on value to display the ascending, otherwise it's display the descending value. That's
Okay. Can't we give directly here like this? Not equal to null. Can't we give like this? Or equal to, we can say 0 or condition or 1. Then execute this block. Because by default, zeroth value always falls. So that's why it was not executing this one. And it was taking already whatever it was. Okay, now you see. So let's start. Nothing is there. Experience high to low, high to low. Now if you've seen the doctors, oh, white one went. Pagination page size, doctors. Why? Why it is not going here? Experience for sort. Okay, we have given the triple equal to. Forget that because it's when we are changing now, the value is coming in a string. That's the reason. Okay, chalo. So let's sort by default high to low. Descending to descending RAR. What is this? First of the thing, huh? Let's console the data. What is coming in this? 0 as a string, it is 1. Okay, here also the same thing. That's why going always descending. It is coming there, but it's going always descending. Now it should work. Nothing by default. This is the one, right? Okay. Now here we'll do experience high to low. Now what is going? Experience ascending, right? And if I do low to high, it's going this one. So ulta again. We have done ulta. Okay. By default, right? But now if I do low to high, it is 10, 14, 14, 19, 20, 21, 26. But if I do the experience high to low, it will come to the first page, then 26, 21, then 20, 19, 14, 14, then 10 years. Okay, so working like that. Now we can select the categories and our experience is selected, right? By this, I'll select it by default low to high. So the gender, we want the female, only female is coming. On the male, it will come the male. Language you select Hindi. This language problem, I will check that later. I don't have time to check that now. We'll see that later why it is not working with this. But these three fields are working properly. Okay, forget about that. You got what happened here? It was comparing the triple equal to, but when we selecting in the inputs, it will take a type as a string. So better do one thing. Better do one thing. Go here. Okay. How you will do this now? Triple equal to you give. This also you triple equal to give. This will as a what? String. It will work. Okay. And I will you no need to do these things as well because it will come in a string. So it will compare as a true value. Not an issue. Still it will work. Okay. Now let's try to do this. Okay. Nothing. And if you see in these doctors, we don't have the sorting now, right? But if you do select the sorting low to high already there, I will do the high to low. It is there, right? See, it's going. And if I do what? High to low, it's there. Now low to high, it is there, right? Working perfectly. So this is done. Hmm. Now book an appointment. We need the doctor information page. Okay. We need the doctor information page. Make use. Okay. We need to add some columns for that. But the first of the things now, we will try to design the doctor details page. Okay. Just try to design that. Where will go now? Inside the home page or outside the home page? Outside now. Doctors. Inside that doctors detail. Doctor details list is there. Not doctor details. Doctor details .js RFCE. For this doctor details, where I need to go? App.js. Create one layout. Not layout. This is the doctor details. And I will pass the element. Okay. Try to access this path. Okay. Doctor details is there now. Okay. Chalo, फिर doctor details. We have this search also. Don't need it. We'll just see this information. Okay. So designing this, go to doctor details, start designing. We need a doctor's card. So let's create a card here only now. Class, busy, white, P2, border, shadow, my2. Inside this what we need? Two sections, one left, one right. So for this again, take a div. take a image. For that image, give an address right now. Give a class which will be the, I can say, 100 pixel. Height will be the 100 pixel. Border, do we need? No. We need a rounded full. This image which will be the 100%. Height will be the 100%. Then object fit is a class. Object cover, okay, and position, object position, object top. Let's see how's it. Let's see how's it. Yeah, it is there. But for this, we need a container again. So where we'll go? First of the things, make a section for this tag, your class, and we need a container. So we need to do width 90%. Let's see. MX atom. So give 80%. Okay, done. And if you see this whole section, it is a up of the screen again. So I can give here one div. Inside that, I can give what? Width will be the full, and LG screen. We need what? Width will be the 60 pixel. Sorry, 60%. That's it. Let's see. Okay, this is how we need. And inside this, what we need? The doctor information. This side. So yeah, we can design that. So div inside that H5, do it. Then category, do H6 category. Then years of experience. Then this degrees and all. Already we have taken somewhere. Uh, Inside home page, doctor card. We have done this already. Take this table out. Take this table out and use it here. Hospital name, for education name, languages, languages, hospital, hospital, and put this above. This language also above. Hmm, let's see. Wait. Okay, it is there. Now we need to do this flex. So flex items. Don't do item center. Okay, give a gap. Two, not two enough. Two, four. Give a flex wrap when we need it. Okay, and here we'll have the hospital detail again. So in the span only you can give a Below this, again you can take a one paragraph. There's this one, and this will be the heading of your hospital. Okay, and class we can make it font semi bold. Okay, and the color we will need to increase this. So text natural you remove from here, or do we need that? So for this, you can give a text black. Increase the font size. Text SM. Okay, and this also we need to do a text SM. For all you do the text SM now. Here we have given text right. Okay, and this you need to increase a little bit size. So go here, give a text XL, XXL. It's bigger. We don't want that much. So give a 14 pixels. Yeah, that's it. And this font size you increase it. Give 16. Yeah, also 16. Okay. And we need a gap. So do one thing. Class M. Sorry, not M. PE2. Let's see. Okay. Right. Above also the same thing. 16 we have given. Replace and all. This one now. Same thing. Copy. Paste it. Increase the font size. We need more. Do 20. Okay. Then we need the spaces as well. So MP we can say we is more to one. This just same thing again. Just font size reduce it. In this table, your empty three. Okay, sure, perfect. And here we have the share button. Let's try to design that as well. Then one more T which has share. So go to the loose sheet, search here in the icons. Share. Share two we have share it will be from yeah. So lucid. Done. Oh, perfect. Now this doctor information should have come from the API when we got order ID. Sorry, not order ID, doctor ID. Huh? Based on the which one? Doctor ID. Chalo. Now we need to hit the API when we click on this, right? This doctor. Chalo. We'll do that. But first of the things, we need to be clear the warnings. Where will go now? To the content manager. Open your postman. Open your postman. Now earlier, how you used to do?
Hello. आपको लाइट है बोले इधर बात है 10
Prakash, mute yourself.
இல்லடான்றான் 1200 நோட்டு இருக்குது கையில தான் இருக்குதுன்றான்
Prakash. Okay. So where we have this doctors, right? Here we need to create a single doctor details, right? So I can create a duplicate. Single. Okay. So how to fetch the single doctor details? Now I'll remove this. Now this is fetching all list of the doctors, right? I need only one. I will give the ID and I will get what? Information of that particular doctor. So how to get that? How to get
Can
that?
you repeat?
Huh?
Can you repeat?
I want the single doctor details. I will pass the ID and I will get, suppose I want these doctors. I don't want all doctors list. I want the only one doctor list. Because why we need, when we click on this doctor, it will redirect to the doctor page. This one. And there I need the specific doctor information.
Go to the filter, colon ID.
Huh?
Yes.
After given colon ID, get request.
Yes. So colon we don't need to give, just forward slash colon is your forward slash and your ID. So ID is nothing but I can pass
Wow.
the one. Okay, so I got it. Right? Done. But how I got this? Because of already we have given the permissions, right? In the settings, if I go for roles, public, and this is the doctor. See here, point one, we have given the permission. If you do not give the permission and save it, what will happen? It will not show it. So make sure you have to be give the permission. Okay, so save it. It's giving now. Along with this, what we need, image of the doctor, right? So for that, what I need to do? Again, what?
Populate.
Populate. Populate is equal to star you do first. We're getting hospitals, doctor details, right? Languages, avatar. In the avatar, we need what? Mhm. Avatar populate maybe. URL. Let's see. We have done before now these things. How to populate? Populate avatar field is 0 equal to URL like that. Okay. Field, right? FIELD field. Sorry, URL. Not working. Do one thing, go to the details. I'll copy that. Avatar fields we have zero. Hmm. Okay, done. And operator, what we need again? Years of experience already we have, right? Experience we have, then educations we have, then category we need, right? Category we need. So and we need to populate the category. So doctors categories, right? Same thing again. Name we need for the single, and you remove this and operator. Now doctor category also we got it right. Chalo. Then what we need again?
Language.
Languages. So languages. Hospitals also we need. Like in it. Hospitals also we need. Yes, we got it. Then what we need? And languages. Done. Okay. So this is how we need to create one API where we will fetch the all details, right? Of the doctor. So again, what we need to do based on the ID, right? This ID will pass from where? This URL. So for that, what you will do now? You will create one API from where you will create now in the home page services. Here you will create get doctor, right? Get doctor, get doctor details. This API will you where will add here, right? And which ID we need to change dynamically? Just this one, right? This one, dollar, and this ID will come from here. Directly we can pass it, right? That's it. Done. Now if you notice what data is coming, data dot data again, right? So data dot data now it will be object or array. It will be null now. Okay, because this is in a single. That's why. So get doctor list where we will hit now. On click of which one? This doctor name, right? Where this doctor name? Doctor card, right? Here. Doctor card we will hit that. Isn't it? Okay. So first of the things where that name is this section, this one, right? Class, cursor, pointer, right? चलो देखो. Is it coming? Yes, it is coming, right? Here. Here it is not coming. On click of this, it should print the ID. So ID we will pass, right? From the parent doctor details list. Here we have doctor card, right? This ID is not being passed, right? Here. ID is not being passed. So how to pass that? By giving a comma, right? This will be given as a separate object now, and I can receive here as a what does it says? Something happened. Okay, it says the ID will not go like this. Okay, not an issue. We'll fix this. So instead of passing this, you can pass ID is equal to ID. That's it. Now it will work. Now ID you can receive where as a param, right? And this ID I will trigger on click of which one? This doctor. So create one function which will say doctor details handler. which we call on click, right? This one on click, on off, it's on click. Pass this one, and when I do alert, alert is an inbuilt function in the JavaScript to get the pop-up. I see in the ID what is coming. 2, right? This is 4, right? This is 7. This is 5, 6, right? IDs we are getting now. Now create one API which will redirect somewhere, right? Use what? Notation, your function name, that API service name, doctor details. Done. API call. Here what we'll get now? Mutate, async. Okay. Then loading. That means is pending, right? Pending. And we'll pass the mutate, async, and here we'll pass what? ID. From here we'll get this here, right? And we will show is pending. Sorry, is pending means is loading will show where instead of this block. Okay. So how will add the turn operator here? If it is pending, what we need to show here?
Loading.
Loading. Okay, like this. We can do like this. What have we done here? Turn operator. If it is pending, show the loading, or else show this block till here. Okay. Chalo. We'll do that now. Now if you notice, go for fast 3G, go to the network and click on what it says that muted function not found. Okay. Sorry guys. Here we need to do mutate fun. Update now. Loading. And we got the details of the doctor, right? See which doctor it was, the name of doctor, see name of doctor, where the name is, this region, right? If I click on this one, it is Dr. Rajesh, right? So after information, what we need to do? We need to redirect with that information, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
अब मुझे बताओ, instead of fetching the API details here, directly redirect to the which page? Doctor page, and hit the API there only, right? This is the good way, isn't it? Isn't it like that?
Yes.
Okay. So chalo, because no one will show here loading, right? Why we need to show? It will redirect and there it will show the loading. Okay. So cut
Yes.
from here, mutate. I'll revert this change. Doctor handler, you let it be. Just remove this. And here we will do what? Cast. How to navigate? Which hook?
Use navigate.
Use navigate. Right? Which will be the method? Navigate. Which page we need to navigate? First of the things, go here and paste it. Where we need to go? app.js, take this path, and here we need to give what? Colon ID, right? Because ID we are passing it. So copy this, go here, and instead of this colon ID, we'll have what? Dollar ID. This is how is it. Okay. Chalo, go to this page. Use this first. Okay, now let's see. It should be redirect now. Redirector ID number 6, right? ID number 8. Based on that, we need to fetch the information. For that, what we need to do now? Use effect, isn't it? On page upload. Here, mutate what?
Async.
Async. Here, what we need to pass? ID. From where we'll get that ID now? How to get that ID? Navigate. ID. How will get this ID? फर्स्ट इसको ट्राई करो गेट करने का, ठीक है? कांस्ट what we need to do? First you do the use location, so I'm doing location is equal to use location
Location.
is the hook. चेक करो इसमें क्या आ रहा है? CLG लोकेशन में क्या आ रहा है चेक करो. Nothing, right? So do one thing. Use params. What will use? Use params. That means we will get the parameters. Let's see. We got the ID, right? Because we have passed the ID now. This one.
Yes.
Or this variable name is coming from where? Here. Whatever we are passing it. Okay. If I pass my name from here. Okay. If I pass my name from here and go back. And if you clicking on now. This one. Got the name, right? So you got an idea from where it is coming, right? So this is another one.
Yes.
So go back to the doctor details. Now you got an idea how to access this, right? Okay. Chalo, can't we directly restructure it now? Because this is an object, right? We can restructure by this ID and directly print as ID. Let's see. We got, right? Getting? Now we need to pass somewhere these things. So where will pass now? ID here. Isn't it like this? Now is pending. That means what we need to do? If it is pending, return what? What that? Loader, right? This is our loader. Take from our component. Done. Update now. Loading, right? It was. Go back. It was there, right? Here now. If I go back, network. चलो डॉक्टर की इंफॉर्मेशन लाते हैं या फिर फर्स्ट पे जाओ. संविधान. See here, this information is hard coded. Huh? Don't be like that. This is okay. Ramesh Goyal will take it. Okay, which information is coming now? Right? So we got the information, right? And loader also we are getting on this page. So this information I can use, right? So how will you use now? By using data, right? Chalo. If there is no data, again I will add the condition. If not data, return something. Doctor, doctors, doctors details not found. चलो अब मैं रैंडम आईडी पास करके दिखाता हूं, ठीक है? यहां पे ऊपर तो कोई भी पास करेगा ना इस तरह से तो क्या आएगा देखना आप. क्या आ गया? क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज नो डेटा, दैट्स वाई. बट
Yes.
जैसे ही मैं डेटा पास करूंगा जो भी आईडी एग्जिस्ट करेंगी, जैसे कि 1 we got, right? That means this is showing, see here, Anushal Waman, right? Chalo. So we need to paste this information now. So data you have already, right? पहले तो कंसोल करो आप, ठीक है? डायरेक्टली मत करना बाइनली, चीजें बाइनली नहीं करनी चाहिए, कंसोल कर करके देखो कि आ क्या रहा है. So go to the console. In the object you got this, right? This is an own object. See here. मैं थोड़ा फास्ट कर देता हूँ. Okay, we have an own object, right? चलो अब ऑब्जेक्ट है तो दिखा सकते हैं चीजें. So we need the first name. So data dot, what we will take now? Name. Data dot question dot name. Done. Now what we need? Avatar, right? Avatar. So for that, take again what? Your URL where that image is being added. Sure. / remove. Then data dot avatar dot URL. Data dot question dot avatar dot URL. Done. Chalo. Then what we need? Categories. We need to loop it, right? That also we will do, not an issue. Before that, add a year of experience. Done. This is the education. Education. Education coming. Then what we need? Languages, right? So go to the doctor's card. Same thing, you copy and paste it. Instead of data, sorry, languages, it will be the data dot languages. That's it. Okay. And hospital name, hospitals, hospitals. Let's go if you have in multiple hospitals. How are we showing that? They are showing only one. Okay, we will loop this actually and show. Okay, we'll loop multiples. So we have the hospitals. How the hospitals details we are getting here one by one, right? Ahmedabad and all. Okay. Mm, okay, then we'll do one thing. We'll loop like this or what? Okay. Chalo, we don't need this one. We directly loop this H6. So how we are getting this? Data dot hospitals. Hospitals dot map. Here we do the process return. We need to pass a key. We have that. we have the ID and name. So ID will pass as a key for unique ID and name will I pass as a name. If we have the multiple hospitals, I will show here only. That's it. Done. Or else do one thing. This TD only itself you put it. TD only you itself you put it. Not T. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. This ID I'll put it here upon. It is going like this. Okay. Don't want. Then do one thing. Put it here. Start from here. And TR I'm pasting for this. And put this key for TR. Do format. Okay, let's see now. Okay, fine. This is fine. And we will remove this location for the second index. So what you do now? Here you add the condition. Here you add the condition inside only. What condition says index we need to add here. Index is equal to 0. Then you show it or else no. That's it. Done. Okay, so two hospitals it is showing now. Now you can go back anywhere, anywhere you can go. I will click on this. I got this information, right? See here, if I go for this, I got this information. If I go for this, I got the information. Isn't it like this? चलो अब इसको भी images में object क्या करेंगे rounded full. But it is not working like that what we expected. So for that, what we can do, object fit cover height full, width full. Let's see. Now it is done. And give a border. That looks good. Or do this border to top here and give a padding as a 1. That's it. Looks good. Okay, so working perfectly, right? Now, when I click on this, now it should redirect to the home page again. So for that, go to the header because I'm not able to recall that again. So where is that logo is? Here. So this logo, I will wrap where? Inside which tag? Link tag. And here I will what? Add href or to home page. That's it. See now, I have redirected there only. And it's selected premium. You can select this one. And we need the doctor information. So working as like them.
Yes.
So you can share the information. Now, if you want to get the information of the doctor, what they have here about doctor, so we need to add what? Long text like them. So where will go now? We'll go where? Inside the content type builder, doctor, add another field. This is a rich text. So you will say that about. Is this required field? No. This is an optional. So finish it, save it. Okay. So this information, what is that? Which doctor is the doctor? I will copy this whole information. Go here. We have the about, right? This one. That's it. See here, right? So we have this kind of text. So how to show this now? That I will show now. Because this is not in paragraph and all, right? But this will come in that kind of format. Let's see how to do this. So that's it. Save it. Go back to the React app and see here now how it will come. I'll go back. This is the one, no? Yes. Here we'll have the about. See here about, isn't it? How is it coming? Like this, right? Paragraph, children, text. Like this it is coming. So how to avoid this rich text? Okay. If I copy and give it in the another format like this, how is it coming? Let's see. इससे पता चलेगा कि क्या हो रहा है कि so go to this and save it and let's see. Okay, so they are always giving like this, huh? Paragraph, 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 type paragraph. Why I need the paragraph? I need whatever I have there. So I need to research on that. So go to the Strapi, the rich text, Strapi format in HTML. Strapi registration HTML guide is stack. Okay. See how's it? Okay, the response they are talking about API endpoint for content. Okay, then response.json, then data we are getting like this, and then data.html. Okay, so what is that what is that? For right, just call a for. Let's see how is it. I don't want this. No. Okay, so that creates a project. Okay, quick start. CD export plugin. What you seed, what you read, enable to resolve SRC plugin. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Strapi generate. Generator plugin. Yeah, Strapi. Okay, so what they are telling, generate the plugin. Choose a plugin from the list, process and the name. Okay, do the same thing. Where will go? We'll go in your project directory where the project directory is here. From here, again you open the command prompt and here you will install that command. Yarn Strapi generate. Okay, it will generate the Strapi. 1 minute. Do we, what does it mean actually? Strapi generate my app, CD my app. Yeah, we have created. Okay, generating the plugin. Wait. Okay, so it will generate the plugin for that. Wait. Choose the plugin from the list. Plugin configuration. We will go in the SRC plugin. Okay. Then add this. Okay. CD SRC plugin. Yeah, add. Install the required dependencies. Okay. API controller plugin. Watch it. Okay, do one thing here. Go to the Strapi. Don't do anything from here. Go to the plugins, content type manager, media, transform, draft, Strapi called, marketplace, rich text. Yeah, rich text. See this, what is it? Hmm. It will show like this, but how can we use it? Just replace the markdown editor with the visual, easy to use the text editor. Okay, not an issue. We'll see that tomorrow's lecture is getting delayed. Okay. I'll push these changes. That response has to be changed like in a normal HTML. Then we can easily add on the DOM. Okay. Anything else that you don't understand today's lecture?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay then. Bye. Have a nice day. See you in the morning.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.